Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today's vlog video, I'm going to explore a beach. This beach is located far from my town, and look, good, no one's here, right? Oh my god, the view is so beautiful. Okay guys, let's start exploring. There's also some rocks. Oh, there's a campfire, right? There's some snails. Let's look if there are some things here. Nope. Do you guys like walking on shallow waters like this with some rocks? Oh, there's some fish. It's hiding there. Okay, there's a dog right there. I don't know what he's doing. Okay, let's continue. Let's head there. Oh my god, what's that? I found a symbol, guys. That's 3 red circles. Let's search for it. 3 red circles. Okay, here it is. Oh, it's just an international battle of peace. It's meant for peace, bro. I hope nothing's gonna be bad. Let's continue. Okay, here we are on the rocks again. There will be a cave over there. So yeah, this is gonna take long, so I'm just gonna fast forward it. Oh look, wow. Keep walking and walking and walking and walking and wow, this is beautiful, bro. And the rocks are different. Yeah, the color and the textures are different. Wow, nice view. I found this crab and it's holding something. I don't know what's that, but let's look closer. Don't go, crab, please. Okay, it's gone now. Never mind. There's some coral reef too here. This is real cool, bro. Okay guys, after a long walk, I'm finally at the cave. It's really beautiful. Well, it's just a small cave though. And let us see what's inside. I don't see anything actually. Okay, there's nothing here. And the rocks are so soft. So now I'm on a boat and I'm heading to that island over there. The view is so beautiful. Wow. Oh my god, this looks like Jurassic World. Okay, here we are. And now I'm going to swim. And I'm using my GoPro to catch my underwater view. Okay guys, before I swim, I need your help to subscribe to this channel, guys. It really helps me to make more videos. Thank you. Okay, let's get in the water in 3, 2, 1. Wow. Okay, there are just some rocks. Okay, let's keep diving. I haven't seen anything. I haven't seen any fishes or any living creatures. Okay, let's just keep swimming. This is beautiful though. This is what the underwater looks like. It's really beautiful. If you like swimming in the ocean, you must use a GoPro so you can capture the underwater view. Okay, let's just keep swimming and oh, I see some fishes right there beneath the rocks. Just small fishes, I think. Okay guys, I'm done swimming, so let's get up and get to the other side. Let's go. I'm just gonna fast forward this. Okay, here we are. Okay, this is my boat. Okay, let's get up there. Now I'm gonna get down there and let's see what can I find there. Oh yeah guys, as you see, the rocks here are all so different. So I already find 3 different rocks with 3 different colors and structures. Wow, that's insane. I see some trees and yeah, there's a forest right there, but I'm not gonna go there, of course not. So it's getting dark now, let's go. Oh, what is this? Oh, someone lived here. Okay, I gotta go fast. before he finds me and kills me. Okay, I think that's it for this video, and see you guys on the next video, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.